So I'm on my way to the post office to see if they have Slime's gift that I bought her. Didn't get it yesterday for her birthday because I forgot to go to the post office. I was tired. I went to sleep. But let's see if they have it at the post office. What? Hello? So this is the Fluent pet item. Don't know how it looks like. The tracking number they gave was not compatible with the post office, but I just gave her my ID and she was able to find it with the date that I got the email. So good thing they still have it. The first thing you see is the word Fluent pet. Yep, look what I got you. For us. So much tape. Come, get up, get up, get up. Come on, thank you. Come, look, 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 look. Come, sit down. You don't have to sit down. Look, look. Look, look what I got you. Look. Look what I got you. Yeah, lay down. Look what I got you. You can speak to me. Wow, look. Ha. Ha. Look, look, look. Lay down. Look. It has stickers. Like, I see the park already. I don't know what they mean though. Oh, backyard. Oh, that's the backyard. There's no park. Park right here. Look. I'm excited. I'm excited. And then it has the boxes. I'm not saving this box. Let's teach them to talk. So it has like, is it one card? Dog, cat. I think it's one card. But is it a sticker? Okay, that's nice. My battery's about to die. Let's open one real quick. I think I have to read this because I don't know how to record it. So I'm going to try it. There comes with a plastic piece right there. You pull it. And I'm gonna press it. Alright, there's a little switch here. You can see it, a little black thing. You turn it. Park. Switch it to play. Park. Where am I gonna stay? Park. I want to sleep on that nigga's stuff. Park. 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 You want to park? Park. So what I'm going to do is take this button and we're gonna go to the park, and I'm gonna press it while I'm at the park so she can know. Because I've been saying park, 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 park. I want her to start using these buttons to tell me when she wants to go to the park. Park? Park? Ah! Ah! Wow! What's crazy is that she's actually 2 years old and starting it, so she'll be 2 years old starting this. It's very cute. So just pop it from the bottom, put it in here. Can you press park? Pop? Park. Get up. Look. Get up. Look, look. Look, look, look. Look, look. Wow. I'm gonna do pee-pee. Turn it to the left to record. Pee-pee. Right to play. So I got the park button. Park. 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 And I also have a pee-pee button. So let's see how that goes. So I'm at the park and I'm just pressing the button saying park as well. So she knows this is the park. Park, park, park. Park, 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 park. Slime. Park, 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 park. Look.
Hi. She's never really experienced snow. Gotta take her out. Say hi. Say hi.
So last year it only snowed like 2 days and like 2 inches, a little bit. But the next day the snow is gone, so let's see how she reacts. Come on. Come on, slime. Look, look, do you see that? Look. Look at the snow. Come on. Look, slime, look. Look, look, look. Ah! Oh my gosh! Wait. Let me fix her. Look, slime. Look. What? Ah! How you like it? Come on, let's go. This is your time to shine. Let's go. Ah! How you like it? You doing pee-pee? Pee-pee. Go to the park. Wow! Slime! Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Wow! You choose a bike. Wow, lay down. You lay down? Wow, come. Let's get on the fresh snow that nobody has been on. Come. Come on. You don't want to get on that snow. Ooh. Come put my camera away. I record at the park. Come on. The leash slipped off my hand. Now she's running. Come on. Oh shit. Oh my god, this is not safe. Let's go, come. You can't run with that leash, Slime. This girl is crazy. She's gonna... Hey, hey! Come. Yeah. She loves it. Come on. Snow is getting in my boots. Slime, come! He's all the way over there. Oh, it's a dog park. So we're at the dog park. There were some people here. I see some tracks. They left. Oh shit! What the fuck? I fell. I slipped.
What the fuck? I fell. I slipped.
Oh shit! What the fuck? I fell. I slipped. I screamed for the babies. Ah. Not to get up. Slime, come help me. You see how she looked? I'm gonna get you.